Hello guys, how are you? You may notice my voice is a lot clearer because I'm using a condenser mic. So we are going to make our computer talk all by itself using Visual Basic scripts. So the first thing you want to do is edit the file. The first line of code is dim text, comma, and then sappy. What this is telling the computer to do is that SAPI is SP voice, which will help the computer speak out the text, which we will do in the second line of code. The second line of code is text equals input box, and in that we are going to put quotation, and in that input we are going to put type below to hear your computer speak. What this is telling the computer to do is whatever the user types in, it will automatically speak the text once the user has clicked OK. So that's the input box. Third line of code, we are going to write set SAPI equal to create object, and after that we are going to do the same thing, quotations, and in that we are going to put SAPI dot sp voice, and that is the third line of code. What this is telling the computer to do is that it will start speaking with the SP voice because it's a command that helps the computer speak. Last line of code, we are going to put SAPI dot speak text. So this will actually speak the input given by the user. The last thing you want to do is save, and you can run the file again. I'm going to do hello world.
Hello world.
And that's it for today's video. It is very simple. You can use it to impress your